Thank you so much for your love and support, and once again we are back with another video tutorial, and this video tutorial is regarding the container hardening. CK is a little boring because it is like if you have seen the movie Final Destination, then it's like same, means everywhere that trap is there, means everywhere the hazard, you have to be very cautious for your life. So this is like the CKS, means security aspect. So let's start with container hardening. So harden a given Docker container. There is a Docker file at a particular location. Let's check it. cd/root image ls. So here is the Docker file. It's a simple container which tries to make a curl call to an imaginary API with a secret token, and the call will not for, but it's okay. So I'll cat this Docker file. So here this is the call, and it is saying that it is showing 404 error. No issues. So basically we have to find out what's wrong with this Docker file. So first is Ubuntu. Here version is not mentioned, tag is not mentioned. So it's unstable and insecure. So first we have to fix that version. And second is that run apt-get update command, and this will work fine, but there is something that if you combine this to command with the and, so if this command fail, this command will not run. That can be, we can fix it. And here the environment with the hard-coded secret, which is not good practice, or you can say it's a very bad practice. So you can fix this with the e tokens, and there is no execution restriction yet. So bin bash is available. So let's we can fix this, make it possible. You can build the image using podman build. Okay, so first solution first, we'll go to the solution first. So this is the solution, that is the here. Let's compare it. So I'll copy this and vi docker file 1 solution 1, and I'll paste it, and wq and cat docker file hyphen solution 1. So let's compare this file. So here the Ubuntu version is fixed. Okay, then here that environment, this token is built with the tokens. When the container runs, it execute a curl request. This idea is that token will be provided later at runtime, not hard coded. So this is the first solution, and I'll go to the solution 2. So here is the same what we have speak. It is the layer caching. Means here I'll create a new file, docker file hyphen solution 2. So I'll paste it here, wqf. So control L, cat docker file, and cat docker file hyphen solution 2. So here we have implemented that if this command fails, it will not execute rest of the command. And here the same, that hard coded token is avoided. Now at runtime it is provided. Still there is a scope to harden the cluster, sorry, harden the docker file. So I'll control L, I'll go to the solution number 3, what it is given, and control and secret is runtime in variable via docker file hyphen solution 3, and I'll paste it here and wq. So cat docker file and cat docker file hyphen solution 3. So here I'm not able to find any difference. Only difference is that run means build and run. So I can copy this. Let's get docker file hyphen solution 2 and cat solution 3. So here I won't find any difference. So only difference is to run a pod. So I'll just podman build hyphen t app. This podman is like a Docker container runtime engine, and it's a lightweight. Podman is open source engine, and you can call it as Pod Manager also. So this is just like a Docker build, Docker run, but using Podman instead. So -t -app -f and Docker file hyphen solution 3 dot. So it will run, and then I'll run a pod. I'll run a container. Sorry. So I'll control L and podman run, and I'll provide that E token. So you will see here that 404, which is expected. So there is a solution 4 also. So prevent bash execution. So here bash execution should be removed. So we'll control L and we'll make another Docker file, vi Docker file hyphen solution 4, and we'll paste this wq cat Docker file hyphen solution 4. So this is this here. So let's test it. So instead solution 4, and then I can give a token and paste. So it is run in the background. So I'll grep, so running in the background. Now I'm executing it, paste. So here, this is something we need to edit, dd and bash. So it's failed because already given that it is failed. So I need to sh copy. No, sorry, we have pasted all that things. Need to dd. So we can able to log in into the get into the container. So congratulations, we have done it very right. So I can paste, so you can find that thing. So thank you so much for your love and support, and we'll meet for next session. And one series I have already started, but it is not completed yet, and that will take a lot of time. So we are doing that also. So thanks for your support and keep in touch. Thanks.